Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Sara Himani. New York was placed under a state of emergency as torrential rains flooded Queens, New Jersey was impacted. Flash flood in New York, New Jersey, nearly 50 million residents across the mid-Atlantic and northeast United States are under flood watches today as intense storms sweep through the region. States from Washington, D.C. to Boston are bracing for heavy rainfall, flash floods, and severe travel disruption. The National Weather Service has warned that the storm system could unleash multiple rounds of torrential rain and thunderstorms, significantly raising the risk of life-threatening flash floods, particularly in urban areas and low-lying neighborhoods. New York City Mayor has declared a local state of emergency effective until 8 a.m. tomorrow due to hazardous rainfall and urban flooding. The mayor urged citizens, especially those living in basement apartments, to evacuate to higher floors immediately. In anticipation of the severe weather, the acting New Jersey Governor Tahesha Way has earlier declared a state of emergency for the state effective from 2 p.m. on Thursday. The declarations come amid concerns over flooding, strong thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and gusty winds. As torrential rain hit New York on Thursday amid a flood watch, several key areas in New York City saw flooding. Among the places that went underwater were the Grand Central and Park Place subway stations. Meanwhile, a car was seen submerged in the Clearwater Expressway in Queens. The Underground Rail service in New York City has been significantly impacted as a result of the flooding. The railway lines connecting Long Island, New York, and New Jersey were suspended in some places as stations were flooded. As heavy rains and flash floods hit the eastern coast of the United States, the entire state of New York was placed under a flash flood watch by the National Weather Service. New York Governor Kathy Hochul has declared a state of emergency for the state. Key metropolitan areas in New York City, such as Long Island, saw up to 5 inches of rain as of Thursday afternoon. Eric Adams, the mayor of New York City, issued a warning to the New Yorkers asking them to move now. Flights were delayed or cancelled at all 3 of New York City's major airports, affecting both arrivals and departures. Inbound flights have been held until the rain subsides and the flood conditions improve. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.